Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need the tempo track visible and smart tempo configured before you change anything. Open project settings and choose smart tempo behavior. This decides how audio reacts. Once done, press G to reveal global tracks and enable the tempo track. Make sure MIDI regions are set to follow tempo and convert or flex audio if you want it to follow tempo changes. You're starting mid-song, so position the playhead where the first tempo change should occur, and keep regions unlocked that must. You add tempo changes directly on the tempo track with the pencil or line tool. Click at the playhead to drop a tempo point. Once placed, drag vertically to set BPM or open the tempo list and type an exact value for precision. If you want gradual transitions, use the curve handle to shape the ramp. If you want a bar-to-bar jump, set the point to linear for an instant change. Make sure the tempo point aligns with the musical beat or bar grid to keep timing intact. You now test the change by playing from a few bars before the tempo point to hear the transition in context. If MIDI tracks lag or audio drifts, enable flex time or convert audio to an Apple Loops-compatible format so it follows tempo. Once satisfied, tidy the tempo list. Snap points to grid or delete accidental entries. If something breaks, undo and recheck smart tempo settings. Reverting the tempo point is faster than reworking many regions, so use undo promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.